The real Untamed. Real beauty shouldn't be covered up. Real beauty should remain the way it is and has been for thousands of years. Natural, true, magnificent. What happens in the untamed forests? Flora is left to flourish, animals are left to roam, and people are left in peace. Mother Nature is the zenith of beauty, innovation, and regeneration. She is the quintessence of wonder. She is vehemently aware of her surroundings, and therefore confident enough to nurture self-love, yet never crude enough to promote it. She is an inspiration to us all. Yes, beauty is seen, but we're here to show you that it can and should be felt from within, because it is how we feel inside that impacts our lives on the outside. Real power is a feeling. Let us show you just how powerful it can make you feel.
Welcome to the Untamed. We are a Nordic Beauty Company. We are a community of social selling experts, uncompromising in our offering, bold in our outlook, and the mystery of traditions run through our veins. Through carefully selected natural products that are vegan and cruelty-free, with clinically tested actives, we provide women with more than just beauty regimes. We provide them with real opportunities. We give them the confidence they need to succeed. Our vision is simple. Our vision is to ignite uncompromising change for women. That is the power of the Untamed. Because when something is given the right environment to grow and prosper, the opportunities becomes boundless. Welcome to the Untamed.
Our philosophy: untamed by name, untamed by nature. Our way is the Nordic way. We take inspiration from the wild beauty that surrounds us. Respect for nature is of paramount importance to us because our well-being is allied to our nature being well. Without hurry, we've learned from nature, and like a stream that carries a feather to another place, our journey of discovery is a constant progression. We are a product of our environments, and our products reflect our surroundings. We don't follow trends, we're guided by time. We're untainted by the rapid pace of modern life, rather we adopt rituals and traditions that have stood the test of time. Enticing scents, seductive colors make for a moment of unfiltered beauty. Once exclusive to the people of the North, our job is now to spread these beauty rituals to the world. We are committed to walking that extra mile by using only well-researched and tested ingredients that clearly benefit your skin and elevate the sensorial experience of our formulas. Saying no to questionable ingredients and actively prioritizing natural alternatives. We avoid synthetic fragrances, colorants, and preservatives.
So, why are we here today? Well, we're going to talk about the social selling experience. The Untamed is offering the platform to take your social media engagement to tangible opportunities for growth. Let me tell you about the community journey. As the first step, you are a consumer. You enjoy our beauty products by ordering them directly from the site. As a step 2, you can become an affiliate, where you enjoy discount on your personal consumption, as well as making money by marketing our products. At step 3, you become an associate, where you could build a business, a solid business. We will, of course, tell you more about the hybrid compensation plan later in the presentation. Let me tell you a little bit about affiliates. As an affiliate and reseller of the Untamed products, you are offering a global brand. Our products are available for consumers in 28 markets at launch, and our rollout plan is ambitious. We are going global. Our social media integrated web gives you the opportunity to connect directly with your potential customers, all through referral links. It is fast and easy. Your customers will buy directly from the Untamed website, and we will recognize you instantly by transferring to your multi-currency e-wallet. We offer you residual income. by always compensating you for returning customers. We have a unique sampling offering to ensure high loyalty and return of your customers. And all is supported by us. We manage the inventory, the delivery to your customers, the returns, the payments, and of course the customer service. You simply promote and get paid. You will then be able to track all your customer activities on the Untamed back office. You have the unique opportunity to scale your business. You will be part of a community of tens of thousands of female entrepreneurs. By simply promoting to other affiliates and associates, you can build an international team. We have one united system that allows you to build business in 28 countries. We have a clear and motivating career plan with multi-tier earnings. A hybrid plan which gives you 6 ways of earning. You will have an e-wallet payment on all your global business. We're offering a mobile-first website, e-commerce friendly, that puts the customers first. You will be able to develop your business through our interactive training platform. We're collaborating with Video Ask and ensuring you develop your skills. And we're offering a digital marketing first strategy. For our strong digital marketing team in Stockholm, we're adapting a strong influence marketing strategy for increasing the brand awareness in your markets.
You are what you sell, so shouldn't you be selling something extraordinary? We're talking about a brand that has the benefits your customers are begging for. It's new and it's bold. And it's a new opportunity for you to reach your goals even faster.
Efficacious, natural, sensorial. Efficacious. Working alongside world-leading labs in Switzerland, Italy and France, the Untamed product line is formulated with high concentrations of clinically tested natural actives for long-lasting results. Natural. Paying homage to the natural ingredients used for centuries in Nordic holistic well-being and beauty, we have created our product line using the finest organic active ingredients native to the Nordic landscape. Vegan and cruelty-free, all of our facial skincare is formulated with 100% natural fragrance and color. Sensorial. Our products have been created to honor the sensorial ritual experiences and holistic skincare practices intrinsic to Nordic culture. Innovative textures and natural fragrances that evoke an emotional response captivate from the first use and provide a restorative form of self-care.
We seek to inspire and promote a mindful approach of less is more, using fewer but more effective solutions, harnessing the power of natural active ingredients for long-lasting result-driven skincare.
"360-degree skin goals." Our capsule skincare line has been created with our holistic 360-degree skincare philosophy at the core of our formulations, creating a balanced skincare ritual that is simple, effective, and addressing all of your skincare goals: refine skin texture, brighten and even skin tone, and firm and plump the skin. A selected item from this category is the Quiet Storm Deep Nourishing Balm. Recharge your skin with a weightless, whipped balm cream formulated to replenish the skin's barrier and provide antioxidant protection for optimal skin health. It strengthens the skin's natural defense barrier, promotes increased collagen production, and increases skin's elasticity. Enriched with a powerful blend of rosehip oil, borage seed oil, and uniquely formulated phytoretinol C, the cream supports combating signs of aging, increasing moisture levels, and promoting collagen production. Suitable for all skin types and a must-have if you have dry skin, it contains 91% natural origin ingredients. Skin nutrition. our inside-outside philosophy combines skin supplements with topical products. We don't follow trends, but rather place natural beauty at the core of our being for a philosophy that creates moments of joy and is built to last. Launching soon are our organic, all-natural wellness supplements to transform your skin from within. All you need for balanced and healthy skin long-term.
Crafted with emotion and artisanal finesse, the Untamed fragrances are driven by our heritage, the power of scent and its inextricable bond between our inner spirits and nature. Inspired by the concept of time and the changing of light, deep-rooted in our Nordic culture.
Narcotic Violin, Eau de Parfum. Inspired by the whisper of nightfall, awakening dreams, and the exhilarating mystery of starlit sky, the subtle seduction of twilight unfolding into the spellbinding depths of the night, alluring Nordic violet intertwines with Damascena rose, patchouli, and enchanting white amber for a lingering scent that is unforgettable. With a floral, woody, oriental accord, Narcotic Violin has top notes of Nordic violet, dark cherry and cinnamon bark, heart notes of Damascena rose, fallen leaf accord, forest flowers and tree moss, and base notes of patchouli, orchinox, musk, black vanilla and cedarwood heart.
Our approach to beauty combines high-performing active ingredients that provide lasting skincare benefits with advanced formulations. With mindfulness and purpose-driven products at our core, our capsule collection encourages a simplified routine.
Imitation of Life Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Discover a flawless, glowing complexion with our innovative foundation and concealer in one. Formulated with Arctic rose extract, the nourishing liquid formula effortlessly blends into the skin for a more even, luminous complexion. Antioxidant-rich mimosa tree bark extract plumps fine lines and brightens dark circles. Suitable for all skin types, the lightweight formula offers a buildable medium to high coverage with a satiny smooth finish.
Well, opportunity seldom knocks twice, and this one is more unique than most. With just one missing element, you. Welcome to the Untamed. I believe it will be an incredible journey for all of us, and I am looking forward to see you be part of the Untamed journey.